Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. This is the Aukey 18W power delivery wall charger. We like that they have a conscious effort to reduce waste by making very small boxes and packing materials for their devices. So this is the device itself. This offers 18 watts of power delivery through a USB Type-C port, as you can see right there. And on the back, this is the wall charger, and it just flips out. So it's a nice, satisfying, sturdy flip out. And this is it. So if you have devices that can handle fast charging with power delivery, this is the charger for you. And it's from Aukey. We like the USB Type-C port there. And then further inside the box, it includes a warranty card and a quick startup guide, which is very easy to do. You just plug in the cord and plug it into your device. But we still like that they include the right size to fit in the box. This is the 18W power delivery Aukey wall charger.